Nice one, guys. So it's gonna be a simple one. So this is some okra and this is some olive oil. All right, a lot of people keep asking me for this recipe. For the ladies that keep asking me for this recipe. And what you want to do is cut up your okra. All right, that's what you want to do. You want to make sure you cut up your okra. All right, this one is a lot. Ladies keep asking me for this one, guys, and I decided to do the recipe for them. That means they can stop asking me for the recipe. All right, so basically, as you can see, I am cutting it up right now. All right, yeah. And once you do that, put it straight inside of this right here. All right. I would encourage you to put it into a bigger container where you guys can mix this together. All right. Now, yeah. Now what you're gonna do next is pour some olive oil on it. Make it olive oil cover it fully. All right. Then what you want to do, you want to make sure you give it a lovely mix. All right. Make sure the olive oil cover it properly. All right, because that's very important, the olive oil to cover it good. All right. So it's okra. All right. So once you mix it like this, then what you're gonna do, you're gonna cover it and leave it for 24 hours. Okay. All right. After 24 hours, yeah. After 24 hours, get the oil and put it on the hand and rub the area which you want to work on, like this. Beautiful and nice. All right, you just rub the area which you want to work on. All right. So this is just a demonstration at the moment. Beautiful one, okra and olive oil, guys. Trust me, try this at home. And a lot of people always ask me for the recipe, so here's the recipe right now, and this one is simple.